Good morning, everybody. Today, your chapter is the cascading style sheet. You can see in your WhatsApp group what is the main topic of cascading style sheet. The main purpose of cascading style sheet to making a web page. So, firstly, we know about the what is CSS, what is cascading style sheet, what is the advantage of style sheet, how to write, that means syntax, and after that we are going for text properties, font properties, border properties, background properties, margin properties, outline properties, box model and plot properties. That means we discuss all things in this chapter. So I give you image, you can send in your WhatsApp group. So firstly I want to say the purpose behind the cascading style sheet. The main purpose to create a web document in the sense when you can use any website, find your regarding information. You can also use the school websites where you can find the syllabus, examination date, any other rule and regulation, admission purpose, many where information are available. So a web page is a document that is accessible through a internet with the help of web browser. You are knowing what is a web browser? Web browser is an application those help you to see or read information those available far away. Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome are some popular web browser you can use in desktop or laptop, and in your mobile you can also use Google Chrome mini version, and many more are available. So the web document mainly written in hypertext markup language HTML. So a web page is made up different element to enhance the look of different element on the web page. A style sheet language, those known as cascading style sheet, are used. With the help of cascading style sheet, you can control the color of text, style of font, spacing between paragraphs, how columns are sized. That means you can make your page in multiple columns, and layout. What background image or color are used, layout design from different devices, screen size, as well as variety of other effects. So we know about more information about CSS and HTML. So question is arise, what is CSS? So it is a style sheet language. Style sheet in the sense you can describe the look or formatting of your document in markup language. Markup language is HTML, DHTML, XML, many more markup languages are available. But you can describe what is the appearance, what is the look of your document, your web document. So CSS can help you. So what is the advantage? Because without advantage, why will you use it? So this is the necessary. What is the advantage of CSS style sheet? So it has some common advantage, like first major advantage is that CSS is a case sensitive. Save times. Okay, CSS save time in the sense when we can create any type of document and we want to change the style of our web document, like a color, background, image, or many more. So with the help of style sheet, this work come in a little bit time. No need to change entire document. Only we change the design of the document, not content of the document. So those code you can write, or if you write once for a single sheet, you can reduce in a multiple HTML pages. Define a style for each HTML element and apply it to many web pages. That means you can make for one but apply to more than one where you want. If you want the design is very good and if you want to apply in a multiple page, so you can use it. So it saves your time. Second is the page load faster. When you are using CSS, you not need to write HTML tag attribute every time. That means you write once and you use many times. Just like you write answer of your answer of any questions. So no need to write every time, but you can read more than one time. Every time when you want to get information, you can read the question answer. So like this, CSS rule of tag apply it all occurrence of the tag. So less code means faster download time. That means when you write once, so no need to write code for every element. You can only tag it. So this reduces the loading time of your web page. Easy maintenance of this means every time when you want to any modification, no need to change entire document. You change only in a style sheet and effect available for your page. So easy to maintenance. That means you can make a change style or element of the web page globally. Then last advantage is multiple device compatibility. Compatible in the sense the code has no need to define according to the device. Your system is IBM PC or IBM compatible or Apple Macintosh or any other devices, even your mobile also. So no need to define new codes for every device. So CSS allow you to optimize for more than one type of device by using the same HTML document. Different version of websites can be presented or handle device such as PD or cell phone for printing. So no need to write a different code for printers for your mobile or your personal device assistance or your laptop or your desktop. So this is the some advanced one more superior style to HTML. CSS provide more detailed attribute than the plain HTML to define the look and feel the website. Most important thing, it is superior than the HTML tag. So it will change the feeling and appearance of your web page. So this is the some advantage of your CSS. Next is the global web standard. Global web standard means HTML attributes are being deprecated and it's being recommended to use CSS. So it's good idea to start using CSS in all HTML page to make them compatible for future browser. That means always you seen some new software or applications come in the market. So CSS comes in a global standard. That means no need to create according to the personal or local. You create your web page in a global way, or in a coming new generation software also support this type of style sheet. And most important thing is that it provides more attributes. That means more detailed attribute than the plain HTML to define the look and feel of the website. In the previous I am also telling you. So this is the most important thing of the cascading style sheet.